Hello everyone, how are you and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these single crochet cluster patterns that can be used as headband, bracelets, bookmark or face mask adapter. This is what it looks like. Okay, now let's get started. Essential material we always need for creating these patterns is a ball of yarns, a crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. Firstly, make slip knot. Make 4 chains. Make 2 treble crochet in chain 1. Chain 1. Wrap these 2 treble crochet with 5 incomplete single crochet. Oh, sorry, this is 6. Okay, now this is 5. Do yarn over and pull it through all loops plus chain 1. This is the first pattern. Now chain 2. Make 1/2 double crochet in the same space. This is the first pattern. Then chain 3. This is how to make the second pattern. Then turn the work. Make 2 treble crochet in this chain space. Make chain 1, then wrap these 2 treble crochets with 5 incomplete single crochet. Yarn over, pull it through all loops plus chain 1. Then make chain 2 and 1/2 double crochet in the same chain space. The second pattern is done now. To make the third one, firstly make chain 3 just like before, turn the work, make 2 treble crochet in this chain space. Chain 1, then wrap these 2 treble crochet with 5 incomplete single crochet. There are 6 loops on the hook. Do yarn over, pull it through all loops plus chain 1, then chain 2 and make 1 half double crochet in the same chain space. The third pattern is ready now. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make the fourth one. Just like before, begin with chain 3, turn the work and make 2 triple crochet in chain space. Make chain 1 and wrap these 2 treble crochet with 5 incomplete single crochet. Now yarn over, pull it through all loops plus chain 1, chain 2 and make 1 half double crochet in the same chain space. The fourth pattern is done now. You just need to repeat these patterns over and over again until you get the length you desire. I've just made 6 pairs of single crochet cluster. This is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna make one more pattern. Begin with chain 3, turn the work, 2 triple crochet in chain space. Yarn over, pull it through all loops plus chain 1, then turn the work and change the position of your hook, then make 1 slip stitch in each of next 4 stitches. One slip stitch in the chain space, chain 3. We're gonna make the same patterns we made before. Make 2 triple crochet in the same chain space, chain 1, then wrap these 2 triple crochet with 5 incomplete single crochet. Now yarn over, pull it through all loops plus chain 1, then slip stitch on the next pattern, slip stitch here, and the chain space of the next pattern. This is what it looks like. Then chain 3, repeat the previous pattern, make 2 triple crochet in this chain space. Chain 1, repeat these 2 triple crochet with 5 incomplete single crochet. Yarn over, pull it through all loops, chain 1, and make slip stitch on the next pattern. This is what it looks like. Repeat these patterns to complete this part. It's complete now. Okay, it looks so beautiful. Well, to end this project, I'm gonna make 1 chain and 1 single crochet in this chain space. Then I will make 14 chain as a hooker. You can skip these patterns if you want. Make 1 single crochet in this chain space, then make 1 slip stitch. Finally, cut the yarn. Okay, now this pattern is ready. It can be used as bookmark, bracelets, headbands, or everything you like. This pattern also can be used as face mask adapter by putting 2 buttons on it, just like this. Well everyone, I hope you like this pattern and see you again.